Crossroads Church, we are excited about our Church Center app and some new options. And so we just want to take a couple minutes to point those options out and to show you how to log into the Church Center app. First thing you need to do is go to the Play Store if you have an Android phone, or go to the App Store if you have an iPhone. Once you get to the Play Store, type in Church Center, and the app will show up at the top right there. And now click on that app and then install. This should only take a few minutes to download and install. Instead of a few minutes, a few seconds. Once it has installed, then you click on Open. You will be given the option to get started. So you click on that, and then it'll ask you to use my location. You can search manually by putting the church name in. I'm going to choose use my option. I'm also going to choose allow only while using the app. So locations will be only happening while the app is using. Now, it'll show you many different churches that are using the Church Center app. And sometimes what will happen is maybe your church, our church, doesn't show up. So click on, you can either enter church by name, optional at the top, or I'm going to say choose location, and then I can enter in our zip code. So 55025. Now you see Crossroads Church up there on the top left. Choose Crossroads Church. It'll ask you if this is my church. You can see the address and the website, and then say, yep, that's my church. This is the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy Agreement. If you want to read through that, you can, or you can just tap on Next. Now, to log in, it's going to ask for your phone number, cell phone, or you can use an email instead. I'm going to use cell phone. And what it's going to do once you click at Connect, it's going to send you a code via text message. There's my code, and as we can see, my code is 881884, and this is time sensitive, meaning it is only valid for right now. There we go. I'm logged in. Hello, Brad. Now, if you don't get a hello and then your name and say, let's log in, that means you are not in our database system. So then you need to call the office and get into our database. I'm going to log in, and this is going to bring us to our home screen. And first we need to authenticate. I can use my fingerprint scanner on my phone to authenticate, but I'm going to choose not now so we can get right to the home screen. On the home screen, a couple of things I want to point out. First, this screen that says the problem of pride, that will take you to our podcast and our latest sermon series. You just click on that and you can listen to the sermon via audio podcast right on your phone. Prayer requests, you click on that. That'll give you a form where you can fill out a prayer request, send it in, and it'll come to our office, and then we can be praying for you. This next one, the weekly newsletter, this is our electronic bulletin. So when you click on that, this will bring you to our weekly e-newsletter. You receive this via email every Monday. But the cool thing is now you can get it on Sunday. When you come to church on Sunday morning, you want to see what's going on, just tap on that, and this will bring you to all of that is happening this week. And you can just look at that. Past issues, real quickly, you just tap on that, and that'll give you all the past issues over the last few months. Now back to our home screen, you go to the bottom, and there are some other options at the bottom. One is to give. And we'll go through that at another time. I want to point out directory. Click on directory, and this is that email we sent inviting you to join this. So now, many of you have done this, and we are so excited. And so you can search by either first name, or there's an option to search by last name. And you can see that in a moment there. Everybody by last name. The other cool option is rather than search by individuals, if you tap on the little house in the top right corner, it will put everybody into their households, and then you can search by an household. And as you can see, you can also add pictures if you want. So I want to encourage you to get connected to our directory. The one other thing I want to show you this morning is on the bottom, the calendar. If If you tap on calendar, this will give you the events that are coming up over the course of the next few weeks. So get logged in, get this app on your phone, and if you have any issues, contact the office. We would love to help you out. Thank you, and have a great day.